4 ways living with purpose improves your health. If you've ever felt that whatever you were doing just felt right, that you were in the moment, then you know what it's like to live in tune with your deepest desires. Living with purpose means you're aligned with your inner authenticity. Now, science has shown that living with purpose doesn't just help you reach your goals, it can actually improve your physical, mental, and emotional health. Here are 4 ways of living with purpose that have been shown to improve your health. Physical health benefits. Living with purpose has been shown to have a surprising range of benefits for your physical health. Studies in Japan have found that purposeful living has been associated with improved cardiovascular health, and even with greater longevity. A strong sense of purpose has been described as a buffer against mortality across the adult lifespan. People who have a sense of purpose seem to be able to tolerate pain better and are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease and problems with mobility. Benefits for your personal relationships. A study conducted in 2009 found that people who felt they led meaningful lives had a more active connection to their loved ones in their community. They were more content with their lives and got on better with friends, family, colleagues, and neighbors. Having a healthier retirement. Retirement's one of the most vulnerable times in your life. Instead of having a job, a career, a business, you're faced with what? For some people, they have no life outside their work. Research shows that people who have a deep sense of purpose go on to make the most of their retirement, living longer, happier, and more fulfilling lives. Becoming more resilient. Living with purpose doesn't mean you have fewer life challenges. It does mean that you'll weather the storms of life better than someone who has not found their purpose. Living a life aligned with your deepest values and beliefs builds greater resilience. You find meaning in all the things that happen to you. You feel more in control of your destiny, and you're not crushed by setbacks or failures. Studies have shown that people with a strong sense of purpose found abundance in their lives, no matter what their current circumstances. Greater resilience means being able to handle stresses without them having a negative impact on your mental and physical health. You'll feel calmer, healthier, and happier over a longer life.